I said, show me the Bissell. It's a spot clean. Bissell spot clean carpet and upholstery cleaner that permanently. That's pretty confident to say. I can be pretty messy. I went into Godfrey's. I said, show me the Bissells. I went in and they had a special, $219. Interesting. Because I could probably make $100 on the free chairs I just got. I had to rearrange the car 3 times to get these 4 chairs in. So this is the free chair that I got today. There's another 3 of his friends. Knocked down to $119. I've got to make sure that it's fully functional. And I needed to get a carpet cleaning solution anyway because I've got a bond clean coming up. So we sit on it. And I must, it's comfortable. So that's the first thing I'll say. A guy called Ray, who deserves a raise after dealing with me ever so graciously. I like how it's got a groove for the sitting area. He listened to all my weird questions. Oh, it's a full swivel. Whoa, yeah. I like that. And he did math for me. And the back support's pretty good for an extra $55. And at that point, I was in my head like, no. We don't ever do the extra. Like, I never ever buy into the extra. The Dran Truck. You know what? Ray was pretty nice. I'll hear him out before I say no. Oh, he said you get a 2-year guarantee. If you pay $55, you get a 3-year guarantee. And in my head, I was like, no. Ooh, it reclines, look. Because I might not even be interested in 3 years. Oh. The point is I don't pay for extra guarantee because that's what I'm paying for originally. Ooh, wow. Anyway, 2 years was enough of a guarantee for me because I can't guarantee I'm still going to be doing this in 2 years. Imagine sitting like this on the computer. But then he said something else that sold me. Then you have something to go to the chiropractor about. Well, he said 3 years, you get a 3-year guarantee. And for those 3 years, you get 3 $20 coupons. I said sold. Alright, so it's pretty good. That's actually pretty strong. So that's $60 a year for 3 years in a row. Solution I want is $29, which means my bottles have just gone down to $9 for the next 3 years. So I'll put in the adverts. Good ad workout. But that is a good amount of solution. So that was a solution to my problem, quite literally and figuratively. This doesn't have the same technology. That's 3 bottles for free a year for 3 years. That's $60 I'm going to get this year to pay $55 now. Which is really 2 years of free solution. I didn't quite think of that. Leave a comment if you remember this technology, where you had to actually turn it, like back in the days of you have to wind down a window in a car.